Hello guys, this video will show you the replacement of a lower control arm bushing of a Z3 BMW. These will also be the same with all E36 models. I got this 20-year-old Z3 Coupe and I want to turn it into something like this. In the end of the video you can see some action footage of this ultimate track tool. If you guys are wondering what my daily driver is, yes, really, it's a Prius.
These are the tools I will use today. Some WD-40 to get some corroded parts loose, a hammer to persuade that corroded part to come loose, a saw just to remove the old bushing from its casing, some sanding paper, a wrench, 17 millimeters I will have to use, a torque wrench, a flathead screwdriver just to pry some parts open, the bushing itself, the washer provided with the kit, and the loop provided with the kit. And the pièce de résistance, a tool, it's an oscillating saw. This way I can remove the casings from the wishbone. It's a multi-master. In Europe it's called a fine. I guess all over the world you have similar tools like that. Makes my life so much easier. You will see it in the video what I will use it for. Let's get started.
I use a 12-volt impact wrench that needs the engine to be running. This is the star of the show for today. As you can see, this bushing has seen better days. First, loosen the two bolts to remove the bushing bracket. An impact wrench will come quite handy. Once the bracket has come loose, you can twist it around, and in the end the bushing and bracket will separate. Apply some penetrating oil to remove the old bushing more easily. Here I use the oscillating saw to create a crack in the metal casing. Once the crack has been created, you can use a flathead screwdriver to open the crack for easy removal of the metal casing. Just keep twisting it and in the end it will give way. Here you can see in close-up how I use the flathead screwdriver to open the metal casing once the crack has been created. I use a screwdriver with the T-bar hand grip. That way I have more leverage while twisting the screwdriver. Next, use some sanding paper and some penetrating oil to remove some corrosion around the wishbone. Now we have to remove the metal ring of the old bushing out of the bracket. It's totally corroded and can't get out. I place a saw inside of the metal ring. This way I can create a crack in the ring, later to be pried open with a flathead screwdriver and to be able to remove the ring from the bracket. Again, if you use a screwdriver with a T-bar handle, you will have more leverage. That way you can apply more force easily. Roughen up the surface with some sanding paper inside the metal bracket. When using the eccentric bushings, make sure the bushings will go in this way. Next, pushing the new bushing in the bracket with a combination of these techniques. Apply the loop provided with the kit to press in the centerpiece in the bushing. Now we can install the new bushing on the control arm. Don't forget the metal washer. You can use a screwdriver to align the holes of the metal bracket and those holes in the undertray of the car more easily. Use some Loctite to make sure that the bolts will stay secure. Use a torque wrench to fasten according to factory settings. Just in time to see the soccer match of my kid. Stay tuned for the action footage of the Z4M Coupe on the Nordschleife Nürburgring. If you have some comments, please if you like, please. If you want to subscribe, yes please. And yes, I like the haters too. Thanks for watching.